Organization urged state governments for early talks on border issues to hold dharna on November 27. Jambali NGO distributes clothes at Majung Teron village. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Judy Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Family members of deceased Bidya Singh Terang has demanded a proper investigation into his death inside the prison. This demand was made by the family members of the prison inmate, stating that the jail authorities had failed to inform them the causes on time, which had created suspicion and shook the family members. The deceased was a resident of Rongagora, Arlok, Longkoi Tisu village under Socheng Dhenta constituency. The family said that Bidya Singh was put behind bars on false charges made against him. In 2019, he was unfortunately put to jail, leaving behind his wife and 3 children. Bidya Singh Terang was the only son of his late parents. He had 3 sisters, 2 of who are married off and 1 is still studying. His parents died 7 years ago while the deceased Bidya Singh was in jail. His wife Kadom Snarpi, his children and unmarried sisters were facing a terrible crisis for food and other essentials. The family members stated that they had to borrow money from many people, hoping that Bidya Singh will repay them on his return. However, the family members are completely devastated and are in a state of big shock and dilemma. They are still not clear about the reasons for the death of their breadwinner. Jail authorities had told them that Bidya Singh died of sickness, but the family were not satisfied with that and are frustrated as they were not informed of it on time. The family members have urged upon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang and local MAC Kache Rongpipi for immediate intervention on the case and have appealed for a fair investigation on the matter. The wife of the deceased inmate for financial assistance to help them in repaying the money she had borrowed in from several people of the locality.
Nilihem abang kabi aphitisek nilihem kito kithak la nikan sivet ta nilidon nilirap aku kecuram curong hijoram hai apreng arbutan nilisitu tepinga na penon nilisupu akleng phanta admission pendang lok aku lanon phi pendang lok admission anta nilisik tek tepin chiri tepin la abe nilikor pota belo nilite pohai ta belo akorte abe mukula kor apai ta belo pota belo lage I'm put pumvet anjir bang thondo anjir bang pingan ada anjir dolan ki bisi pinan chupile namang belongs dolan na tense gabon khapon.
Love Singh Terang's report from Rongmangway, Karbi Anglong Live. Several organizations of the hill districts of Karbi Anglong has urged upon the state government of Assam to hold early talks with government of Nagaland and government of Meghalaya to find permanent solutions to the border issues that have created law and order problems and having a strain on the relations between people, the neighboring states. This was stated in press conference held at Hanjang Langso on Sunday evening. The press meet of the organizations comprising of Students and Youth for Justice, All India Students Association, Revolutionary Youth Association and Association for Justice and Development was chaired by AISA Secretary Ranjit Kramsa and was accompanied by SYJ President Rajesh Taro, Secretary Rocky Tokbi, RYA President Babu Singh Kiling and AJD President Angtong Pangcho. While addressing the media, AISA Secretary Ranjit Kramsa informed that 4 organizations would stage dharna on November 27 on the border issue. The AISA Secretary also urged upon the state governments of Assam, Nagaland and Meghalaya to hold early talks in order to find a permanent solution to the recurring border problems that have caused immense law and order issues and is impacting on the relations between the people of the 3 states among each other. Further, the organization's leader has appealed upon the government of Assam to initiate similar steps to bring solutions to the inter-district border issues between Karbi Anglong, Nagaon and Golaghat districts. The AISA Secretary warned that organizations would be forced to take up strong agitation programs if talks are not held early to resolve the interstate and inter-district border issues. The organizations also demanded immediate demolition of IRBN camp illegally set up by neighboring state inside Karbi Anglong district.
Lasinitum songli tinia tarik long itum border long penangan ajak ding pen dulu Karbiang Long along lay la pen border pen la pen la Nagaland border ang bong June to enforcement of hak Karbiang Long along lay enforcement of hak nitum kung bidam mo sport long visit dam no na so sport in visit long nitum ka long amang ke pillar number 1 pen 17 an lana mangke totally line pusar to mangke tola
Alan Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbiang Long Live. The Jambalingo NGO had on Sunday visited the Majum Teron village and distributed clothes and other items to the needy villagers. The arrival of winter also brings big problem for many poor and needy families. The lack of warm clothes is one of the major crises and problems of needy people. In order to lend a hand to such families during hard times, the Jambalingo NGO had on Sunday went to Majum Teron village. The team provided clothes and other items to the 68 families in the village. Meanwhile, village elders conveyed their gratitude towards the NGO for their great assistance towards them. They stated that no one had been so kind to them before.
Parlo nang litum mathan pini la pusone tum han kang hon kang jin so the ka pola se ansa se nang litum la bang so kang hon kang jin so aku ke de ke dia nang litum han ke dum parlo
nang litum ma ke bang ko ana ne ni litum yo ko ana din pen ne litum da rong engnong lang milia ke do pen se ta ko ana kang hon na ka jin so ke ji ke long pen na la sinon nang litum bang lo nang kang hon nang ka jin so pen na jo la sinon ni tum yo do am pa ni tum ching room pet pen ni tum nai tum hanang chong hong pen.
The NGO members have extended their gratitude to all those kinds people who provided them with support and their assistance with cash and kind in the charity program.
Ini dang itu Majum Teron along. Bila tu fuel officer bang dak bang det pena phi kan data nang video la pena pila phi mutum bang. La pulo je ada kiduk kelak ili so karbiaran kiduk kelak ke doa join ni tum ningduk kajin so ke doa join ni singli tum asap obeda hamu sita mingli tum alang tum happy pajir kon lo la pena bang so ki pi pajir along. Nili tum imi thang khia dat pen boleh pa ki padam kali bon sita mingli tum munit la pen munit ki jan kaching hon kachirap ajoin ni si nili tum labang so api ri sita mingli tum pajir pon lo.
Shubhas Terang from Langchiting, Karbiang Long Live. With eyes fixed on MLA election, various political parties are also speeding up their activities and programs. The BJP on Sunday held a mass joining meeting program at Paklongkam, which falls under the 14 Korkanti constituency. The BJP mass joining program was led by Paklongkam Shakti Kendra and was attended as chief guest by EM Raju Tiso, BJP is Karbiang Long Secretary Dilip Ronghang, Korkanti Mandal Secretary Dhonsing Ronghang, and Secretary Chandro Inti, among others. During the program, altogether 54 persons from different political parties formally joined the Saffron Party. The newly joined members stated that they have lost their faith in their leaders and party and claimed that the BJP had done great work in the district. While speaking at the gathering, EM Tiso said that BJP party never grows weary in their works and commitment. He also lauded CM Tuliram Ronghang, stating that he had brought immense development in the district. He also reminded that various developmental works are also being implemented and still continuing in Paklongkam area. He urged upon party workers and members for unity while executing out party works programs. EM Tiso concluded his speech with the hope that Paklongkam would continue to move up, witness more development and positive changes in the days to come.
Kadang-kadang harus jadi penlo, ladak Paklongkam hawar, kapre-kapre political party leaders atau local leaders atau bang, nil tum Bharatiya Janata Party local committee itu man contact lo, je BJP party long sini tum nang join tung, nang join tung di fancy sig lo, lasi nil tum man prabdin pen labang so saya bang, mana nang tum deng nang jil nil tum man labang so nang pa join tung di labang so wat saya bang nang tum jil, walang itu hin pen si, kobar nang pig lo.
Samsung Inti report from Dogmuka, Karbiang Long Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbiang Long Live.